In the embrace of nature, there is a gentle secret. Bamboo fiber, a green gift from nature. Through modern technology processing, every upright bamboo is transformed into delicate and soft bamboo fibers. Every step embodies respect for the environment and the wisdom of technology. Breathable, antibacterial, and environmentally friendly, each characteristic is a commitment to health. Bamboo fiber is everywhere in clothing, towels, blankets, and more. For example, in baby clothing, bamboo fiber has become the top choice for parents. Choose bamboo fiber, embrace nature, and enjoy a green lifestyle.